Sorry guys, Raphael probably didn't. Oh, that is very faithful, and my camera says, nope, you're not close. But hello, and we just got on the talk. Hello. What's his name? What's your 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 name? Hello? Can you say hello? Say hello to this. Say hello. Say hello. What? Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Say that. Say, Polly, you want a cracker? Say that. Say, Polly, you want a cracker? Say, Polly, you want a cracker yet? Say it again. Funny. It's cool. Polly, want a cracker?
You want to come home with us?
No, they own her. They own the bird. So cute. He came over the last first minute.
If he likes us, we'll do.
Polly, want a cracker? Actually, I should bring food for you. That'll be awesome. I shouldn't bring a cracker for you. Because I actually knew you were down here. I'm going to bring a cracker for you. Polly, want a cracker? Henry, say hello? Say this. Oh my god. Charlotte. Oh my god. Sit. Charlotte, sit. Hey, can you do this? Can you do this? Can you do that? Can you do a whistle? Can you do a whistle? Can you say no? Can you say yes? Hey, can you say yes? Can you say yes? Hey. Can you say yes? Can you say, Polly, want a cracker? Again? Okay, guys. I told you I'll find a film. He's so cute, though. So cute. It looks very far away for you, but that's pretty good. Okay, guys. This is him. This is my dog. This is me, and that's the bird who's talking. Okay, guys. We'll see you next video. This is gonna be a cool video. You don't have to like it, but can I hear about 10 likes and 1 subscriber? I just hope that. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye.